is a spacious living and dining area. Have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms. This is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Ganga CHS by IR Developers located in Andheri East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual tower. You can have a look at the tower. It is ready to move in. And you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From both the sides of the project, you can connect towards the main road. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has one tower of ground plus 8 story having 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences. Speaking of amenities, you have parking facility available in the project. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. This project is located opposite to Sher-e-Punjab Gymkhana, Andheri East, from where you have Western Express Highway Metro at a distance of 5 to 7 minutes. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 5 minutes. International Airport is at a distance of 15 minutes drive. And you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we will be entering the 3 BHK of the residential project Ganga CHS. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 740 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Also, you can have a look how spacious your living space is. You can place a sofa, center table and customize your TV units. Also, you will be getting full French windows in your living space for views and ventilation. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. Moving forward, you have one bedroom on this side of the apartment and other 2 bedrooms are on the other side. Let's have a look at the first bedroom. As we enter, this over here will be your first bedroom where you can place your queen size bed. You can customize your wardrobes. You can also design this as a guest bedroom. You can have a look how spacious this bedroom is. And again, in this bedroom as well, you will be getting full French windows. And in this corner, you have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to the other side of the apartment, over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and other 2 bedrooms. First, on this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms. Also, you have space provided in the kitchen if you want to build lofts in the kitchen. And again, you have space provided on both sides of this platform to place your refrigerator and also if you want to place your washing machine. Again, you have full French windows in the kitchen for ventilation. Opposite to the kitchen is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And diagonally opposite to your common washroom is your second bedroom. You can see this is the space of your second bedroom where you can place your bed and customize it totally as per your choice. Again, you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom as well. And let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower of the project. We are in the actual flat, so you can have a look at the actual views. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you have a very spacious area at the entrance of the bedroom that gives your bedroom 100% privacy. And as you move forward, you can have a look that this is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place a king size bed along with your side tables. You can also build lofts and customize your wardrobe in this bedroom. And again, you will be getting full French windows for views and ventilation. And over here in this corner, we have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. So this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ganga CHS. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Ganga CHS by IR Developers located in Andheri East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.